Hello everybody, this is Deidre with Papercrafts and Planners. There is a new Close to My Heart catalog for January and February. It is in addition to the core catalog. I did not do a walkthrough or a flip through of the core catalog. If anybody wants to see that, I'm happy to do it, but I did not get one done this year as I've been MIA most of the time. I did want to show you some of the new collections though really quickly. One of them I've been working with a lot. These are the how-to books in the front and the subscription boxes. I get the card making. I have a friend that gets this one, the scrapbooking, and we're going to work on them together in February because I'm going to stay with her for a little bit, for a few days. These are the how-to books that are really, they're card making layouts, scrapbooking layouts, penmanship, just all sorts of different how-to books. This is the first new collection and it is called As You Grow. I have a brand new grandbaby. He was born December 3rd. He was expected December 27th, but he had other ideas. But he is happy and healthy and doing wonderfully. Mom's doing wonderfully too. She had some blood pressure issues and it was a scary situation for a bit, but they're both doing great. And so I am working with this collection to do some 12 by 12 framed things for his room because his bedding is woodland animals and this fox is just too cute. I bought the stamp set. I have the paper collection. Maybe less florals, but you get the idea. I'm going to do some really pretty 12 by 12 frame things for his wall. So looking forward to doing that. And as with each collection, it has a sticker sheet, has coordinating cardstock, all of that. The second new collection in the core catalog is this Smarty Pants. Really cute for school. And Love Story. And it comes in all these different colors. So it's the same collection basically. Some of the parts are foiled, some of them are just black and white, mink, toffee, and then they've got the gold and the silver. Really pretty. And they've got some new wood grains and textures. Also, there's a lot of stuff, but also I'm going to be working with these soon, hopefully. And they are gift card holders that are shaped like a purse, a backpack, and a cupcake. And I'm really looking forward to working with these. And they have some new dies for the slim line. So that's just some of the highlights in the core catalog. Here is the new one, the January, February. And of course it always talks about how you can join the company in the different levels. And if that's something you're interested in, I'd be happy to help you with that. These are the subscription boxes again. So this is the one I'll be working with at my friend's house. And this is the one she'll be working with. Unless she's backed up and going to work with some other stuff. We'll see. But maybe I'll get some Instagram photos of some of the creations and as we're working while I'm at her house. And this is the first collection in here, and it's called Sweetest Honey. Really pretty colors. I love the orangey. I think this is Sundance, and the black and the gray tones. So let me see. Yes, it's Sundance Shortbread, which is that beigey tan color. Mink, which is kind of a gray. White Daisy, and black are the colors in this. So with each collection, they have a paper pack, sticker sheet. You can buy sticker sheet and paper pack together or just the papers. They always put a set of coordinating cardstock, so you don't have to go buy an entire pack of any of these colors that you want to work with. You can just buy the set of coordinating cardstock, a few sheets of each. This one has cork shapes. There is a digital art collection. There has been with all of the new collections now. It's a Cricut digital art collection. This is Sweetest Honey, Picture My Life cards, and this is like your project life. So the 4x6 and what is it, 2x3 I think are the sizes. So I have this stamp set. Isn't that beautiful? I'm looking forward to using that. So it's really pretty. This is the Sweet as Honey card making stamp set, and this is the Sweetest Honey scrapbooking one. And then they have the kits. So you have a scrapbooking kit that you can get with or without the page protectors, and this is for 12 by 12 scrapbooking. And they have down here, they always list the things they use to create this beside the items that come with the kit. So the journaling pen, the glue dots, all of that kind of stuff. And then this is the card making kit. Again, the extras down here. I think the card making kits are a really good deal because you're going to make 16 cards. You're getting the card bases, the envelopes, and you are getting a die cut and a stamp set. So I just think it's a really good deal. And I usually get those. This collection is called Sawyer. Same thing, has all the same things, but instead of the cork, it just has these die cuts. And I'm sure they're cardstock, probably. Yeah, chipboard. They're chipboard. And then here's the stamp sets that go with that. I think this one's so pretty. And the kits, scrapbooking kit, card making kit, and I'm loving this one. I don't know, I might have to get this one. So these colors are just gorgeous. And then here are the mixing colors. So each catalog is going to have mixing colors, and they will go with either the collections, with both of the collections, I should say. So you can kind of coordinate and extend what you purchased by using those. Here are some new stamp sets. This one's called Utterly Wonderful, if you're into livestock humor. And then this one is Feathered Friends, and there are die cuts too that you can get. You can get them as a set or just a stamp set by itself. This one is called The Barn Door, and I really think that's pretty. They have a firefly with a with sympathy sentiment, butterfly that says you make my heart flutter, and they're separate. You don't have to use them together. And then it's got this cute fairy. This is called Fairy Garden. This one is called Build a Flower. Really pretty. I like how they did that. And then this one is called Here and Now, and it's a great scrapbooking one. I love this one. I do like puns with my get well cards. Anyway, there's a die cut that will come with this one too, if you order it. And then the sloths, so cute. Don't hurry, be happy. Hang in there, take it easy, #mood. This one's adorable. And it gives you an opportunity to use those alcohol markers you have or watercolors, whatever you like, whatever medium. I love this one. It's called You're a Classic. So this says you're not old, you're a classic. Happy birthday, my old friend. It has the cars. Really cute. And they have the colors here. So if you wanted to copy the colors that they've done here, they've listed them here. I love how they did this background here, that they just stamped the happy birthday repeatedly and made their own background. Really cute. I love, one of the best things about these catalogs is that you get the artwork with it. So you can look at how they use the stamp set and maybe play off of that. This one's cute too with the glasses and the birthday sentiments. Also, when you place your first order, it's going to give you a free one of these mini catalogs, whichever catalog is on for that time. And this is so cute. I've never seen cats with unicorn horns. This is called Meowgical. It's cute though. And dinosaurs. I have so many dinosaurs, but these are adorable. I love the erupting volcano. Here's some succulents with some birthday sentiments. Oh, I'm a sucker for you. You brighten my day. These are all really cute. Here's one of the dies that I was talking about for the new slimline dies. I really do like that. And here's some more succulents. Sprigs and Sentiments, this one's called. Here is, these dies are really cute. So they fold up. They have the score lines in them too. And you can make these little individual, like almost like an envelope card, where it has the belly band. This is called Note Card, and this one's called Scallop Note Card. So it has the belly band that you can make, and then the little doodads you can put on the front to decorate them. And then here are the stamps that can coordinate with that. Look at how that matches that. So cute. And then the little sentiments you can put in there. Of course, you can use whatever ones you already have, but they've come up with some that coordinate with that. And this system is called True Story. It's an album kit. I think it's a good deal. I mean, it is $49.95, but it comes with create the pages and paperboard cover of the 6x8 True Story album. It contains pre-printed base pages, die cuts, stickers, acrylic shapes, flip flaps. Those, if you don't know what those are, something great that Close to My Heart does. And they would go on the page, so you could have a whole bunch of pictures. Like right here, it looks like you have one picture, but the flip flaps are on there, and you can fold back and see all the other pictures. They're like clear acrylic pieces, so you can see each picture behind it. You flip them. And then they have photo place cards and 1-inch O-rings. So the whole system comes together. I think that's really great. Look how cute this one is with the pages flip up. I mean, really cute. And then they have a digital file cut now for Cricut that's called Love Each Day Collection. And this is some of the things you would get. There are 2 stamps of the month, of course. This is the January. These stamps are $18.95. But if you have spent $50, then these stamps are an add-on of $5. So really cute. I have this one that I'm going to be working with and this month, and so hopefully I'll come back with some artwork. So I can see this working for Valentine's, for Easter, just for a birthday. Excuse me. I've had a cold that I'm trying to shake. So it's prevented me from seeing my new grandbaby this week. And that's really annoying to me. The cough is less annoying than not getting to have any grandchild time. I haven't been able to visit the other 4 or the new grandbabies, so it's annoying. And this is the February stamp of the month. I have this one also, and it's more of a, I think, memory keeping scrapbooking one, and I really love this. Maybe I'll get to use that when I do some of the 12 by 12 pages for my new grandbaby. We'll see how that works out. On the back, there is the new Operation Smile stamp set. So if you don't know, close to my heart, this is the charity they donate to. Every time you order one of these stamp sets, $7 goes to, of the proceeds goes to Operation Smile. Also, if you're ordering on the website, which I will link to mine, of course, but if you're ordering on there and when you go to pay, it says, do you want to round up? If you round up to the next dollar, all of that money goes to Operation Smile also. So I always do that every time I order. Really cute stuff in here. I will link to how you can order it and order anything in here. I'll link to my website, and also the VIP sections are on there and the maker section in case you're interested in any of that. But if you have any questions, please feel free to put them below. I'm happy to answer any of them that I can. This is a company that I've been with. I took a break from them and went with a different company that's now defunct and didn't end up being a good idea. And then I came right back to Close to My Heart. So it's been a company that I've been happy with the quality and everything for a very long time. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Happy crafting.